Hey guys, in this lecture I am going to show you how you can install and set up OpenVPN server on your Windows operating system. So what is this OpenVPN? So OpenVPN is a full feature SSL VPN which implemented OSI layer 2 and 3 secure network extension using the Eastern standard SSL or TLS protocol. So the OpenVPN protocol is responsible for handling client server communication. Basically, it helps to establish a secure tunnel between the VPN server and the VPN client. So when VPN handles encryption and authentication, it uses the OpenSSL library quite extensively. Also, OpenVPN can use either UDP, which is user diagram protocol, or TCP, which is transmission control protocol, to transmit the data. So let's see how we can install and set up this OpenVPN server inside of our machine. So first of all, we will start with the installation of the community version of OpenVPN. So just go to your web browser, search for OpenVPN, go to this OpenVPN website, go to community tab, click in here and go to downloads. So straight away in here, as you can see the community download sections in here. So you can download a lot of the things. You can download a tarball, you can download zip file, you can download, if you use 32-bit Windows, you need to download this file. If you use 64-bit like I am using, as you can see, make sure you check what operating system you are on. So as you can see, I am using 64-bit operating system, so I need to download this file. And so as you can see, these are all the formats which we are going to do, but these are all the same, but make sure you choose which operating system you are on and download. Simply just click in here, and as you can see, it is already downloaded because I previously downloaded it, so I don't need to download again. As you can see, not this one, as you can see, this file will download, pretty small file, so you need to download this file. Now the most important part, make sure you use and check which operating system you are on. Don't download this file because this will not support inside your Windows machine because it has tar.zip. It is for Kali Linux or Linux operating system. So you need to use a exe extension file. As you can see, this is the exe extension. So just download this and we are good to go. Now we are going to double click into this file, and the important things, let's minimize our window. And okay, the important things here, most people do mistakes is they just simply click install, but do not do that. Do not. It will not install OpenVPN inside of your machine because you need to customize couple of the things inside of your setup so that your OpenVPN server connection is setting properly. So go to your customize section. As you can see in here, lot of the settings are disabled. So if you previously just install without changing all of the things, then your OpenVPN service will not active. As you can see, OpenVPN service by default is disabled. So what you need to do, just click in here, left click on your mouse and choose entire feature will be used on local hard drive. Just click it in here and we are good to go for this case. Then we need to change also a couple of the things. As you can see, our OpenSSL utilities is also disabled by default, but we also need that, otherwise your OpenVPN server will not work. So just click it in here. As usual, use this entire feature will be installed on local hard drive. So as you can see, automatically it selected both of those OpenSSL and easy RSA3 certification. These are the important things, most important things. So OpenVPN services and also OpenSSL utilities, and then you can install now. So simply press install now. It will ask to confirm yes, and it is a really fast installation process. It won't even take 1 minute. As you can see, OpenVPN installation completed. As you can see, our OpenVPN GUI is shown in here. So if you click in here, as you can see, nothing shown up because we need to configure some of the things, because we need to import all of the things, or you need to edit the configuration file manually, because editing configuration file manually need a lot of networking knowledge, because most of you guys who are new to this OpenVPN, you will not understand all of those. So I will show you a easy way how you can do it, install all of those configuration file, and without even changing anything in here, it will automatically do all of the steps. So we'll show all of those steps, how you can import, how you can connect all of those in our next lecture.